CocoaDoll and welcome back to my channel. So today is a very important day. Today is a day that I take my updated passport picture. I made it my mission to slay this passport picture. My first one wasn't the best. I was about 14 years old. I was looking a little crazy, and you know, it's time to renew my passport, and I kind of want to give before and after. I kind of want to give glow up. Y'all, this is my old passport. Do y'all want to see this picture? Oh my god. Should I show y'all? Okay, I'm gonna show y'all for like 2 seconds. Hold on. That's it. That's all y'all gonna see. That's it. It's like that. But yeah, this is me, guys. This is in 2011, and that was honestly the last time I traveled outside the country. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, it's not giving what it's supposed to give, but you know what? It's okay. I was young, like I was a child, so I'm not about to be a baddie at 14 or whatever. If you want to know how I went from this to this, just keep on watching. All right, so the first product that I'm using is the Stay Matte Primer by Rimmel London. I love this primer. It keeps my face matte all the time because I have oily skin. This works wonders. Sometimes I even wear it by itself. So to have a photogenic makeup look, your face can't be oily. Like, you know, when the flash hits, it gotta be matte. In my opinion, I feel like a matte face is more photogenic. So I'm just gonna rub that everywhere. If you're team face before brows, seek help, because brows before anything, always. So I'm gonna just do my brows really quick. The brows are done. They're not blended in all the way, but it'll come together at the end. So after the brows, of course, we're gonna get into eyes. So for my eyes, I'm gonna do something real simple. I'm not gonna go crazy because at the end of the day, it's not really gonna reflect on the camera. I'm gonna use 2 different colors, like that's it. I'm not doing the most. So I'm gonna go into my Tartelette Bloom palette. I'm gonna go in with Rebel, which is this color right here that hit pan because I used it that much. So I'm just gonna dig into that, and hold on, wait, what am I doing? I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the same concealer that I use for my brows. Duh. Eyeshadow, and I just apply that everywhere. I'm gonna add a little bit of shimmer onto my eyelids, and I'm gonna go in with Firecracker, which is this copper, you know, metallic color right here. Is it giving? Can y'all see? It's giving. I'm going to do a wing. I want my face to be snatched, so the wing is going to be tilted upwards. All right, so the eyes are done. I'm gonna go in and apply my lashes. I'm gonna be using these lashes that I got from Amazon. I mentioned this in my previous video. I'm gonna let the lashes do the talking because these lashes are, I'm not even gonna say shit. Watch, just watch. So the lashes are on. These are a bit dramatic, but I'm a drama queen. We know this. So this is just perfect for me. Like, this is something that will really stand out in the camera. This is giving very photogenic. Now it's time to do face. So the foundation that I'm gonna be using is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the color 360. I'm not gonna go overboard with the foundation. I never really do because my skin is kind of already clear, so I don't really do too much with foundation. Once the foundation is all over my face, we're gonna go in with some concealer. The concealer that I use is the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Chestnut. I'm going to apply this on to the inner part, and then just a dot maybe 2 dots on the outers. I'm gonna let it sit. I got this trick from my best friend that's an MUA. She lets the concealer sit for like 10 minutes, but I'm not gonna do all that. I'm gonna let it sit for literally like a minute. Now I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just, okay, so I want the center part of my face, so like my eyes area, to be the focal point. So I am going to be applying quite a bit of concealer. We're gonna kick it up a notch and apply this foundation, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and this is slightly lighter than my complexion. So I'm just going to apply literally a dot. Okay, that's enough. Blend this out just to give it a more highlighted effect. The remainder of the product that's on the beauty blender, I'm gonna just pat a little bit on my forehead, a little on my nose, and just a tiny bit on my chin. Next, I'm gonna bake. Time to dust it off. So next we are going to bronze. This beat up blush from NARS, it's called Persia, and it is just an orange blush. And I'm gonna be honest, I kind of crush it because it's so old that the product doesn't really pick up when I put my brush. So I kind of just like crush it a little bit. Yo, this is so ghetto. But this is what I do, y'all, okay? As you can see. And then I just go in with my same bronzer brush. This is the same brush that I use to bronze. Then I go in with my foundation brush and I kind of just tap over it so it's not too harsh. So I'm gonna go back in and touch up my eyeliner. I'm going to just put 2 little lines on my inner corner to elongate my eyes. That little line on the inner corner does so much. It does more than you think. So last but not least, I'm going in with my same brow pencil and I'm gonna outline my lips with it. And now I'm going in with my clear gloss. Everybody knows these glosses from the beauty supply store, because we really trying to blind these people with the glossy lips, period. Go in with my Morphe setting spray. Yes. Okay, so the makeup is complete. Ooh, why do I do my face like this more often? This is so cute. I love it. So now on to hair. So to be honest, I put this big black headband because I'm kind of scared to reveal what's underneath here. Oh hell. I'm just going to basically glue this wig down. Apply this all on my hairline. I am by no means a professional when it comes to this wig stuff. Like, I just follow what I see on TikTok. Blow some air so it gets nice and tacky. I'm using wipes, guys. Like, okay. So I don't like to put my wigs on my forehead. Like, it just doesn't look cute to me. And then I'm gonna go in with a little comb. See, I don't even use the combs that they be using. I just be using any comb. The wig is on. All right, but I'm not done though. I'm not done. I gotta make this super duper flat. I'm just gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel. It's giving arrogant Tay. I feel like if I would have told someone that arrogant Tay did my hair, they might just believe me. Yeah. Yeah. Bust down, middle part, period. That's what I'm giving. So I just put this top on. They're just white crossbody crop top. Yes, this is the final look, guys. How do y'all like it? Should I put some hoops on? No, I'm not putting hoops on. All right, it's time to go take my picture, guys. I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready to take this picture. And I think I'm gonna kill this picture. And if the picture don't come out right, I'm not posting this video. Like, that's just, it is what it is. But I feel like it is gonna come out decent. Yeah, I'm confident in this picture this time around. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out all of my other videos. If you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.